The GEMS Super Classrooms were introduced as part of the initial launch of the English and Maths provision as part of the student study programmes during the induction period leading from September to October. The reason that we focused on Super Classrooms is that we wanted to create a fun, engaging introduction to that part of our learners' curriculum. To a point, there's no structure to a Super Classroom. The way that we looked at setting up the Super Classrooms here at the college was to have available a bank of resources and for tutors to plan their session almost around those resources. What we introduced at the college was to make sure that there were available seating arrangements that maybe weren't a table and a chair, that were maybe a beanbag or a sofa or something different to sit on, that there were resources available that weren't necessarily always used in the classroom, so window markers for writing onto glass instead of writing onto notepaper, and to just have a lot of different, very different accessible resources.
One of the things that we've identified as part of the GEMS project is a need to have some interactive online training material that's accessible to both tutors but can also be accessed by our learners to help with their preparation for any English and Maths exams that they have. What we're looking to introduce using some software, among that Microsoft Mix, is some interactive PowerPoints where there is audio mixed in with visuals, with a tutor dialogue to support the information that's being shared, and that information can then be accessed alongside some quizzes and questionnaires that are attached to it, so that it's an online learning programme. And we really hope that that is going to be supporting a lot of the tutors with their ability to embed some of those core skills that relate to the Maths and English programmes. So we've done some work with our learning technologists to develop some online games, and what we have created is an interactive game which involves picking up gemstones and having a series of English and Maths questions as part of that game. It literally is that if you pick up a gemstone, then you get to the next level, but you can only get to the next level if you correctly answer an English and Maths based question. And they will get progressively harder throughout the game. And so that we really are focusing that game on being very much about developing those core skills, if there is any stage in the game where you lose a point or you fall behind, then again you cannot move forward unless you answer a series of English and Maths questions. We have a selection of Voki videos that have been generated. They feature Maths-based and English-based core skills, very, very quick snapshots and quick guides. They're less than 1 minute, 2 minutes in total length. And the idea of those is a kind of a quick scan of information that can appear on a mobile phone or appear on a desktop. And they're actually using interactive software, caricatures online with voiceovers. And the idea of those is that they will help with exam revision, exam prep, and can be accessed by both tutors and by students.